Magandang tanghali, mga katatay. It is a Sunday, and I hope that I can do this every week, or I can do this daily. I just want to share a Bible verse to each and every one of you. It's in Luke chapter 12, verse 40. It says here that because the Son of Man will come at a time when you do not expect Him. Wow. You know, upon listening or reading this verse, actually kinilabutan ako. But you know what? This is actually the time that we are preparing for. This is the time that we've been waiting for. Ito yung time na lagi nating iniisip dito sa mundong ibabaw na pag ganito nangyayari sa mundo, bakit lagi may nag-aaway, may nagro-road rage, may mga nangyayari sa politics natin, or kung ano man, whatever it is. But you know what? We are living in an imperfect world. And when the time comes, and when the least you expect Him that He will come, actually that will be the best day of our lives. Pag na-meet na natin ang ating Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Kasi in heaven, everything is perfect. Kung ayaw mo nang may kagalit, ayaw mo ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa mundo natin ngayon, in heaven, everything is just perfect. And for us, we don't have to think about kailan ba siya darating. You know, what we need to focus on is to prepare, share the good news, read the Bible every day, love others, do the things that God has commanded us. And that is how we prepare for His second coming. Sa totoo lang, upon reading this, is talagang, if you reflect on the verse, iiyak ka pa eh. For those who are struggling right now, you know, there is a God that we can lean on. Andyan lang siya, and you just have to call Him by His name. Not the universe, not yung nasa itaas. You just have to say, Jesus, God, my Savior, our Creator, my Lord. And He will hear your prayers. I am just a young Christian, and I am sharing these words right now to each and every one of you. We love you, Lord. I trust God. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless everyone.